So Isla, it's your birthday.
Yeah.
How old are you today?
8.
8 years old. What are we doing today?
We're going to go to the beach with elephants and we get to feed them.
Isla, you're 8 years old.
I know.
It's early though, right?
Yeah.
We've not been up this early in a long time, but today's a very special day.
Yeah, I wanted to go on their back, but they're not allowed. They're not going to let
I might pick you up. Put you on his back.
I did want him to.
Yeah. Morning.
Today is her birthday.
Are we? You alright?
Yeah.
Excited?
Yeah.
Isla's buzzing.
Oh, look at them. They're so cute. Are you excited?
I can't wait. Literally, she just went, can't believe we're doing this for my birthday. Can't believe it. I was like, yeah, me neither. Oh my god. So we're just looking around the grounds and then we've just noticed something coming through the trees. Oh my god, I can't believe this. Guys, come this way. Isla.
Oh my god. He's a little smile in his face.
Oh, look, Isla was looking around at us. Hi.
Just to follow him. He wants us to follow him.
You think so?
Yeah. Look, they're going into the water.
Should we go over and have a watch?
Yeah. Hi, big long trunky. Oh my gosh. Alright. Look at my bananas.
Can you have it?
Yeah. Can I have the banana pills? No,
Isla.
No, he just swallows it. Oh, what's all this on the bananas? Bucket around there, you can take more bananas. Backside.
Come on. Yay!
I will give you the information for your activity today and also the thing you can and cannot do with elephant. Please listen and follow because this one is very important. I don't want anyone get hurt or have any accident here.
How cool is this?
Daddy, my favourite one is Poe.
Your favourite one's Poe?
Yeah.
So we're just casually walking the elephants down to the beach now. We just made them some food and fed them. And now we're going to take them down to the beach and wash them. This is absolutely amazing. You having fun, Isla?
Yeah.
This is a good birthday, right?
I know.
Yeah? What's been your favourite part so far?
Wait, maybe feeding them the bananas.
Oh yeah, that was fun. This is unbelievable. I know.
I keep wanting to shake it. Mommy, is this cool? Oh, he's got a little smile on his face.
Yeah?
See?
Oh,
Yeah.
Jody, how cool is this?
He's trying to grab you. He's trying to grab you, Daddy. He's like...
Where are you going?
I'm gonna go help them clean up the poo.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
Happy birthday! This is your birthday present.
Yeah, you get to clean the elephant poo. Go, go, go!
It's in my eye.
You got something in your eye? Go, Isla. Hey, is that the poop? Oh, you can keep that. What? That's it, Isla.
Show one hand. 1, 2, 3. Look at the sky. 1, 2, 3. Move on a little bit with that face. Why you?
Big cuddle.
Just grab his trunk, Isla. Big cuddle. That's it.
I like it.
Yeah?
Or you can see with this on it.
So we just finished on the beach and that was absolutely amazing, right guys?
Incredible.
Yeah, now we're just casually walking the elephants back to the camp. This is just absolutely surreal. Isla's had the best time. She's definitely gonna remember this birthday, that's for sure. I don't know what else. I don't know if you can top this. This is amazing, but she's had the best birthday. We've had the best time. I think we've captured some incredible memories today. I'm not sure how we're going to top this. Honestly, this has been absolutely amazing. I keep saying amazing, but it really has been. Are you leading them? Wow. Isla's there walking with a trainer. This is unbelievable.
I'm not going to believe how the shower is.
The shower? So now we're taking the elephants to get showered. Oh my god, look at this. Oh wow. Look at it.
How cool is that?
Get in there, bub. Scrub its butt. Scrub its butt.
Memoriou deve ser alguma coisa de lá. O céu, o sol, o mar de Oxalá. Eba, eba,
You're right there, bub.
Yeah, I'm just trying to wash up all the
Oh, the elephant poo.
I'm a little bit drenched, as you can see.
Ridiculous, right? How crazy has this been?
This is insane.
I would recommend this to absolutely anyone, right?
Oh, 100%. I've loved it so far.
One feeding and hug and kiss. Kiss. Okay, lady, and you.
No, that's so cute. I'm doing it again.
Moon. Hug. Kiss. Kiss. Okay, mister, and you. Let's go.
It's so cute.
I
You
love-
have to do that.
That was your birthday kiss.
Hug elephant.
You have to do that.
Yeah?
Yeah, you're doing it.
Okay. She wants me to do it? Here we go.
Stay.
Okay, what happened?
You like that?
That's better than your kiss, that.
Hey!
Yay!
You can hug your son, coming.
Yay! Kiss!
Together. Okay, do it like put in the middle. I'll feed you first. One more time, feed you. Get kiss your wife, mister.
Nobody, only you.
Yeah.
Isla, what have you got there?
I've got a birthday present from here, and the bag's made out of elephant.
The bag's made of elephant poo?
And I got
Oh my
I
god.
got a t-shirt
Yeah?
that says Lily's elephant with the rest in it.
Did Lily give it to you?
Yeah.
Wow.
She gave me.
So unfortunately this day has to end, but guys, if you are ever down in Phuket, we cannot recommend Lily's Elephant Camp enough. Anyways guys, if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. It really does help, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!